So I just upgraded my bed frame and I'm very impressed. So if you're looking for a bed frame and want to keep your original mattress, this is a great option. So this is the bed frame only. The mattress is not included, but it supports my mattress perfectly. This is a velvet upholstered headboard. It has such a soft, elevated look. It's really, really pretty. And I also love leaning back on it. It's actually really, really comfortable. So this frame is made with wood and reinforced metal. So it's really sturdy. And once again, the headboard is super soft and really pretty and really comfortable to lean back on. So this bed frame is very stable. There's no shaking. I can bounce on my bed and it's not gonna wobble all over. So it's very secure and it's gonna be amazing to have. It's also nice. You don't have to have a box spring. It's super secure even without one. So it's gonna be amazing to have. All you need is your mattress. So under the bed, there's a 6.3-inch clearance, so it's perfect for small bins to slide right under the bed. So it's gonna be perfect for smaller bedrooms, so you can store things underneath the bed. So if you're looking for a sturdy modern bed frame without replacing your mattress, this is worth checking out.